Welcome to Neurozeniq. This channel is dedicated to understanding the incredible power of the human brain and how neuroscience can help you unlock higher levels of focus, discipline, and mental clarity. If you have ever wondered why your attention is constantly pulled toward distractions, today we are going to explore the science behind focus and how you can train your brain to concentrate deeply in a world full of interruptions. Think about the last time you tried to work on something important. Maybe you were studying, writing, planning your future, or learning a new skill. Within a few minutes, your attention probably drifted toward your phone, a notification, or something else that seemed easier and more interesting. Many people believe that losing focus is a sign of laziness or weak discipline, but neuroscience shows that the problem is much deeper than that. Your brain is constantly reacting to signals from your environment, and modern technology has created one of the most distracting environments in human history. Your brain evolved in a world where information arrived slowly. Early humans needed to pay attention to sudden changes in their surroundings because those changes could signal danger or opportunity. If something moved in the distance, your brain instantly shifted attention toward it. This mechanism helped humans survive. It allowed our ancestors to detect predators, discover food sources, and respond quickly to unexpected events. But the same attention system that once helped humans survive is now being constantly triggered by modern technology. Every notification, message, and digital alert acts like a signal that demands your attention. Your brain interprets these signals as important information that must be checked immediately. Each time you switch your attention from one task to another, your brain performs a process called task switching. While this process may feel quick, it actually consumes mental energy. Your brain must deactivate the neural network associated with the previous task and activate a new network related to the new activity. This switching process creates cognitive friction that reduces productivity. Research in neuroscience shows that frequent task switching can significantly reduce the brain's ability to maintain deep concentration. This is why working while constantly checking messages or social media makes it harder to complete complex tasks. Your brain performs best when it can focus on a single meaningful activity for an extended period of time. This state of deep concentration is often called deep work or deep focus. During deep focus, your brain coordinates multiple regions that support attention, memory, and problem solving. Neural networks communicate efficiently, and your mind becomes fully engaged in the task. When this happens, something fascinating occurs. Your brain begins to enter what scientists call a flow state. In the flow state, time feels different. You become deeply absorbed in the activity you are performing. Distractions fade away, and your attention becomes fully directed toward the task. Athletes experience this state when performing at their highest level. Artists experience it while creating. Programmers experience it while solving complex problems. Writers experience it when ideas begin flowing naturally. Flow is one of the most productive mental states a human can experience. However, entering this state requires uninterrupted attention. Constant interruptions prevent the brain from reaching the level of concentration required for flow. The modern digital environment makes it extremely easy to break concentration repeatedly throughout the day. Each time you check your phone or open a new application, your brain resets its attention cycle. This is why many people feel mentally exhausted even when they have not completed much meaningful work. Their brains have spent the entire day switching between tasks rather than focusing deeply on one important objective. Fortunately, the brain has an incredible ability to adapt. Just as constant distractions can weaken focus, intentional practice can strengthen it. Focus behaves like a mental muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Training focus begins by reducing unnecessary interruptions. Creating periods of uninterrupted work allows the brain to sustain attention for longer periods. At first, this may feel challenging because your brain has become accustomed to frequent stimulation. When you remove constant stimulation, the brain initially experiences restlessness. But this restlessness is temporary. As you continue practicing focused work, the brain gradually strengthens the neural circuits responsible for sustained attention. Over time, concentrating becomes easier. Tasks that once felt mentally exhausting become more manageable. Your ability to think clearly improves. Another powerful factor that influences focus is the structure of your environment. Your surroundings send signals to your brain about what activities are expected. If your workspace is filled with distractions, your brain receives signals that encourage distraction. But when your environment is designed for concentration, your brain receives signals that encourage focus. Simple changes can make a significant difference. Working in a quiet environment reduces external distractions. Keeping your phone out of reach removes a major source of temptation. Using a dedicated workspace signals to your brain that it is time to concentrate. These small environmental adjustments help the brain maintain attention more effectively. Another important element of focus is mental energy. Your brain consumes a large amount of energy compared to other organs in the body. Maintaining concentration requires fuel in the form of glucose and oxygen delivered through blood flow. This is why physical movement and healthy nutrition support cognitive performance. Regular exercise improves blood circulation and increases oxygen supply to the brain. This enhances mental clarity and alertness. Sleep also plays a critical role in maintaining attention. During sleep, the brain performs processes that restore neural energy and consolidate memories. Lack of sleep reduces the brain's ability to regulate attention and increases susceptibility to distractions. When you prioritize sleep, your brain operates with greater efficiency the following day. Another powerful strategy for strengthening focus is practicing deliberate attention. This means intentionally directing your attention toward a specific task and gently returning your focus whenever your mind wanders. Each time you bring your attention back to the task, you are strengthening the neural circuits responsible for concentration. Over time, this practice improves your ability to maintain focus, even in challenging situations. Many successful individuals build daily routines that support deep work. They schedule specific periods of time dedicated to meaningful tasks. During these periods, they remove distractions and focus entirely on the objective in front of them. These focused sessions allow the brain to produce high-quality work and creative insights. At this moment, if you are finding value in understanding how your brain can develop stronger focus, take a moment to subscribe to Neurozeniq. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand the science of the mind so you can unlock your full cognitive potential. Now imagine what could happen if you trained your brain for deep focus consistently. Imagine dedicating uninterrupted time each day to learning, building, and creating. Imagine strengthening the neural circuits responsible for concentration until deep focus becomes natural. Over time, this ability gives you a powerful advantage. While others struggle with distractions, your mind remains clear and directed. Your productivity increases. Your creativity expands. Your confidence grows as you see the results of consistent effort. The ability to focus deeply is becoming one of the most valuable skills in the modern world. In an environment filled with distractions, the individuals who master attention gain a significant advantage. Your brain is capable of extraordinary levels of concentration when it is trained properly. Every moment of focused effort strengthens the neural networks that support clarity and persistence. Before we finish this video, remember one powerful truth: your attention shapes your reality. Whatever you focus on consistently becomes the direction of your life. If you focus on distractions, your time disappears without meaningful progress. If you focus on growth, your brain begins building the pathways required for success. Choose where you direct your attention. Train your brain to concentrate on what truly matters. If this video helped you understand the neuroscience behind focus and attention, subscribe to Neurozeniq and share this knowledge with someone who wants to improve their productivity and mental clarity. Your mind has incredible potential. Strengthen it with focused effort. Guide it with intention, and watch how your ability to learn, create, and succeed begins to expand. Thank you for being part of Neurozeniq. Your journey of mastering the brain continues in the next video.